Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this braid out look. Yeah, like that's literally all I have. I will say I've been gone for a little minute, but I'm back. But if you want to see how I got this braid out, you guys, this scrumptious, this goodness, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so we are starting out on pretty much blown out hair. I have been stretching my hair with braids, so this is kind of its blown out state. I'm just checking my part, like it was not a good part, but whatever, like I just go with the flow. Y'all already know I'm not too big on parts, so I wanted to just do a simple braid out tutorial. Like I'm always doing this to either stretch my hair or like when I just need a break and I'm tired of doing like styles on my hair, I'll just do this just to get me through my week. So I'm sectioning off my hair and I'm going to be using the Ken2 Daily Moisturizer. I had this for a while. Like I use it like rarely use this product, but I was like, let me just use this for this braid out, because I tried using like this butter, but the butter was way too light and my hair was just so like big and just fluffy. I wouldn't say frizzy because it was just a fro, and I needed something to kind of weigh it down just a little bit. So yeah, I went for this moisturizer, and I'm just sectioning that first section off into two sections, and I'm going to begin the braiding process. Y'all, like I am not the best braider, but I just do what I can. My fingers are so freaking short, like it don't make no sense. My fingers are so short, probably why I don't braid at all. You know, I don't really just do braids. I have to use my middle finger. It's definitely easier when I have on like acrylics and stuff. But yeah, so this is pretty much the video. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do one side on camera, and I'm going to do the next side off camera. All right, so it is the next day and I'm going to begin my takedown. Yeah, like I did a makeup look. I did film this look. Oh my God, I can't talk. But I hate my brows in this. Please excuse my brows because I absolutely hate them. I don't know why I did them like that. I already know my brows are super thick and I'm trying to grow them out to prepare for this wax. So that's why they look like that. But I'm just looking back like, oh, it's so cringe. But anyways, back to the hair. I'm just unraveling each braid, y'all. I did not use any oils, anything like that. I don't really put oil on my hair anymore. Like, it's just something that I don't do. Now I will use the cheap oil from Ada's hair care. I still use the hair growth oil, and from time to time I will use the regular cheap oil, but I do not put oil on my hair. I just don't. Like, I just find that just me unraveling the way it is with that moisturizer just works best for me. But do what's best for your hair. So yeah, all I'm doing is unraveling the braids, and you can see the definition. If you want a little bit more definition, you would definitely put more braids into your hair, making it smaller. But I am a big hair girl, so I only did about 8 braids. I did 8 braids because I love a good fluff, honey. I love a good fro. And this color is just popping, so that's why I did what I did. I used some got to be glue to try to gel down these edges, honey. They lasted for all of maybe 10 minutes, but you know, it made the look for the picture, so that's all that matters. And that was it, you guys. Like, this is super simple. It's very beginner friendly, and it's very what I want to say, it's not as time consuming as any other things, and I can just throw these braids in at night and just wake up and do it all over again. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, definitely let me know down below in the comment section. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video.